Welcome back. My name is MrSchroeter, and I want to thank you for tuning into my channel. Please make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Hit that join button. Join the channel membership. Make sure that you are tuning into all of our uploads, the previous uploads that we've had, as well as our new uploads. Ring that notification bell. And don't forget to subscribe to our other channels, the Nigel Schroeder Show, which is my podcast, as well as the Credit Sensei, which is my other channel, where I'm giving you guys all types of tips on building your business and personal credit. The Cash Couple is another great channel that we have where you're going to get to see some behind the scenes action with myself and Crystal. And don't forget to go back and tune into some of my shorts where I give you guys some of my keys to success and some quick credit tips. Check out our playlist as well as our previous live streams. And with that being said, go ahead and sit back and prepare for the show. All right, welcome back, everybody. And today I'm going to give you guys some key information to be able to purchase a house at the age of 18. I'm going to give you guys some information that I've learned that's going to be able to jumpstart you ahead on your home ownership journey and teach you those fundamentals to be able to purchase a house. This will help everyone at every age, but especially for young adults who are looking to purchase a home, or people who are not very seasoned in credit. If you're new to credit, this is going to help you with becoming a homeowner. So what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to be able to show the bank as much employment history as possible. So if you are trying to purchase your home by the time you turn 18, what you want to do is sometime around the age of 16, have some form of income coming in, whether that is YouTube or social media, or that may be a part-time job. You want to do this because when you go to purchase a home, the company that you get your financing through is going to pull up your last 2 years of tax returns, as well as your last 2 years of employment history for verification of income. So when this comes up in the application process, you want to be able to show some prior income, as well as if you have any current income, which you will have to have in order to purchase a home. Now, I recommend to try to transition into a job in the same industry in order to get finance, and find a job that will be full-time, because they can usually waive this 2-year work history if you have full-time employment. Now, in addition, what do you want to do? You want to be saving money during that time frame so that once you turn 18, you'll have the funds to cover your down payment and closing costs. So while you're working and you're under 18, like I said, say you're 16 years old, that gives you 24 months to save until your 18th birthday. So if you were to save $200 a month, 200 times 24, that's $4,800. You save a little bit more. You could get up around $5,000 easily if you just take that money, $100, $200, put it to the side every single month. And then imagine, even if you're investing that money in crypto or something else, you could even be seeing more exponential returns that would cause you to have more funds by the time you hit your 18th birthday. Now, of course, on your 18th birthday, you will not have a credit score generated, but what you can do is you can go to a parent or trusted family member and get an authorized user, or you can go to the bank and you can take some of that money and apply for what are called secured credit products. So I have a video all about how you can build your credit with secured credit products. But what I'd recommend in this case is getting a secured loan with the short term, as well as a secured credit card. I would probably hold those two for around 6 months. So that way, if you get a secured loan for 6 months, your secured loan will be paid off, and then you'll have your credit card. Hopefully you're using it correctly. So then that way you won't be holding any balance. Now you're going to have a revolving trade line. You're going to have a paid off installment loan. You do not want to go and get an auto loan before you finance your home. If possible, buy a cheap cash car rather than purchasing a new car before you purchase your home. Because when you go to purchase a home, they look at what's called debt to income ratio. So when they look at your debt to income ratio, they're going to look at that car payment and determine based off of that car payment how much home you can afford. So you will be able to afford and get approved for more home with less car. So you do not want to get that car before you go and get your home. Now, once you've done that and you have all of these things lined up, go and find yourself a good realtor, a good real estate agent, or a good real estate lawyer, and go through the process of purchasing your home. You're going to want to get pre-qualified first. The agent or the lawyer you're working with can help you with that, or you can go directly to the bank. And then you want to go and view homes, pick which homes it is that you like, and whichever ones you want to make an offer on, make an offer on those homes. And then you can go into the waiting process to see if your offer gets accepted or denied until you eventually find the property that you want. Then you can then call that property home sweet home. So once again, I wanted to give you guys some information on this process and how you could purchase a home very quickly. If you're just turning 18 and you're watching this video, or you're older and you're watching this video, you may not see that you want to set this plan out for 2 years. But once again, if you have full-time employment and you're over the age of 18, they will typically waive that work experience requirement. However, you will have to still show proof of income and show what you're currently making, your current salary, in order to get the home. So these are all things that you're going to want to think about, and there's so many different factors in the home buying process, but I just wanted to kind of lay out some of the basics and give you guys a good idea on a good path. Also make sure that you check out down payment assisted programs. Besides down payment assistance, you also want to check out the USDA loan if you qualify, and if you are in the armed forces for long enough, check out the VA loans, as well as FHA loans. And if your bank offers any 0% down conventional loans, that could potentially save you money out of your pocket on the front end into you getting into your house, as well as seeing if the seller will cover any of the closing costs, or if there's anything that can be done on that end to help you with getting into your home. With all that being said, thank you all for watching. Thank you all for tuning in, and I will see you guys in the next video.